In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what items a customer purchased in a Shopify order. We'll be doing this directly from the Shopify admin, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you need to confirm the contents of an order, answer a customer question, prepare for fulfillment, or quickly verify purchase details before making any updates. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your main Shopify admin page. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access the store dashboard without interruption. Once you're inside the admin area, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout. Most of the key sections you'll need are organized in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. From that left sidebar, click on Orders. This will take you to the Orders dashboard, where Shopify displays a list of recent and existing orders for your store. Depending on how active your store is, you may see a short list or a much longer one. The important thing here is that each row represents a specific order, and from this page, you can open the full details for any one of them. Next, select a specific order entry from the list. You can click directly on the row for the order you want to review. This opens the individual order page, where Shopify groups all of the order information into sections so it's easier to read. If you're checking details for customer support or fulfillment, this is the page where you'll find the most relevant information in one place. Once the order is open, look for the Items panel section. This is the area that shows exactly what the customer purchased. Here, you'll be able to review the products included in the order and confirm the item details. This section is especially helpful when you need to verify what was bought before processing the order further or responding to any questions about the purchase. As a general tip, make sure you're viewing the correct order before reviewing the items, especially if several orders were placed around the same time. Taking an extra second to confirm the order page can help avoid confusion. And that's it. Once you know where the order section is and where to find the items panel inside an order, checking what a customer purchased becomes a quick and repeatable task inside Shopify.